What's going on, everybody? Back out here at a little house I wired up. Got to run some pipes for FP&L to bring their power to our panel on the outside of the house. So let's get into it. Here's FP&L's pole. Got to get our pipes from there over to a handhole here under the sidewalk, back to the house. Here's my service on the side of the house. So this is FP&L's meter. Gotta come up into here. Gotta dig some out. Got the dumpster man interrupting us today. Alright, got it dug up. Jump down in here, connected the 2-inch. That'll take your power over to your panel, and then the 3/4 will bring low voltage. Down and under the sidewalk. Alright, got the handhole in. It's a little house I wired a couple months ago. They're just finishing up the drywall and stuff right now. Take you on a little tour. Right off the Intercoastal down here in Fort Lauderdale. Nice little area. Couple bedrooms up here.